Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find new 21 game, which is a 37 number problem in LeetCode and a medium level problem. So the problem statement says Alice plays the following game. So Alice is playing a game and Alice starts with 0 point and draws number while she has less than k points. Okay. So if I paste it here, so the overall problem says like Alice will start from 0 and go till k. If I take this example, I think it will be better to explain. Okay, this one I'll just delete. Okay, so Alice will start from 0 and go till the max number. If you have a look, max pointer. So max pointer or max points is 10 here, right? So 0 till 10 means there will have 10 cards, which will be 1, 2, there will be cards like here 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on till 10. Okay, so there will be 10 cards. There will be cards which have 10 points. So the points will start from 0. Okay, now the problem says allows Alice stop drawing numbers when what she's doing actually, she's picking a card, individual card, and drawing the numbers. For example, if I remove this one, if she got if she got 2, if she pick a card and the card number is 2, she'll draw it. Then again, if she pick a card, if she got 4, she'll just add it again. If she pick a card and for example it's 7, she'll add it like this, and after that she'll add all of the numbers whoever she picked the card. In that case, it will be 13, right? 7, 4, 11, and 2, 13, right? Now, the problem says Ally stopped drawing numbers when she get k or more points. So the value of k is 17, right? Now she will be picking up cards, and once she get value of k or more than k, she'll stop it. Like, for example, in that case, she picked 10, and again she picked 10, so she got 20, right? And she'll stop them, right? Again, there is another probability. She picked 10, then she picked 7, so 10 plus 7 will be 17, and she'll stop the match. Again, for example, she picked 9, then again she picked 8, she got 17, right? Like this. For example, she picked 5, then she picked 5 again, then she picked 7 or 6, then she picked 1, and she got 17. Or if she picked 2, she'll get 18. So once she get K or more than K, she'll stop the match or stop the game, right? Return the probability that Alice has n or fewer points. So you have to return the probability that Alice has n or fewer points. So in our case, the value of n will be 21. Okay, and answer written, okay, 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, so if you have a look, each draw is independent and the outcome have equal probabilities. Okay, and what is the probability? Probability is either 1 to max point. And what we have to return? We have to return the probability analysis and to fewer points. Okay, so our target is 21 and our one shear stop is 17. So For getting the probability of 21, what do we have to do? We have to write probability of 21 is equal to probability of 21 plus probability of 20 and so on till probability of 17. I hope you got it. So from 17 to 21, we have to add these numbers and then we'll get the probability of 21. Now, this is one case. Now, how we'll get the probability of, for example, 17? To get the probability of 17, what do we have to do? We have to, like, probability of 17 is equal to probability of 16 into probability of 16. If it is 16, we have to minus it into 21, which is equal to 5, right? So the value of the, yeah. So what is probability of 5? And then again, you have to plus probability of 16, probability of 15. We can't go till probability of 17, right? Because if we go probability of 17, we have to stop the match here, right? The problem says, while I stop drawing number when she get k or more points. So if she gets 17, she'll stop the game. Then probability of 15 into probability of 6, like that. We'll go till probability of still into probability of 16 and it will be 5, right? That's it. Now, what is probability of 5? Probability of 5, if you have a look, it says is true and independence of outcome have equal probabilities. So the probability for getting 5 is 1 by max point. So I'll write max, and for everything it will be 1 by max, right? 1 by max. Then what we can write it here, we can write like this, p of 16 by max, right? Like this, and plus p of 5 by max. That's it. So this one will run till 1, 2, n, right? And we'll 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 create a array. We'll create a array. So we'll create a array which will be a probability array. I'll write probability array, and it will be 1, 2, 3 till n. We'll start from 0 and till n, and the amount we'll calculate from k till n. So for example, k is here, so this will be our answer, right? So if I put this one, which will be a brute force code, and this one will give us TLE, and then we'll think how can we optimize this code. So I'll write a vector array. It will be double, sorry, else the answer will be double, and I'll say probability n plus 1, 0, 0, and if you have a look, what is the probability of getting 0? This one, it will be 1. Why? Because the problem says ally start with 0 points. So the probability of getting 0 is always 1, right? So what I'll write here, probability of 0 is 1. That's it. Now I'll run a loop for I equal to 1. Sorry, my bad. I less than or equal and I plus plus. Then I'll run one loop for int j equal to 1, j less than, j should be less than, if j is equal to k, it will give us TLE. Okay, so j less than, okay, next point here, it should be k. So j less than k and j plus plus, that's it. And then what we have to find, we have to find, so here what we have to find, we have to run a if. We have to check if I minus j is greater than or equal to 0 or it is less than max pointer. Okay, sorry, my bad. Here it will be, I have to put the j till max points because I can take the max points of cards, right? And then I have to check if I minus j is greater than or equal to 0 and I minus j is less than, not equal, only less than k. If it is equal or greater than k, we have to, or else I should stop the game. If it is, what I have to do, I have to find the probability plus equal to, okay, probability of I plus equal to probability of, what I have to do, I will write probability of I by maxPts, that's it. Now what I'll do, I'll say you can run loop here, like from k to n, you have to add all the values, or I'll just say return simulate probability begin plus k. From k will start the probability of end, and the initial value start from 0.0. And if I run this code once again, there will be one test case. Okay, if I run this code, this one will be code. I have to put comma here. Why am I getting wrong answer? Next video, my output is 0 because j j can go till max point. Yeah, j have to go till max point. And then if I run this, because j, like, the problem is we can get the range 1 to max points, right? So j can go to max points and j plus plus. Then I'm checking if my I minus j is greater than or equal to 0 and I minus j is less than k. Probability of I is probability of I minus j by Yes, yeah. So that's the problem, and that one is a brute force approach. If I submit my code, it will give us clearly the our solution is right, but for the bigger test case, as n or k can go till 10 to the 4, it will give us clearly. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to store the value and use it. So we can use dynamic programming, or what we can do, if you have a look, if you have a look, so from P of 17, we have to find it right. So what I'll do, from probability of 17 till we have to find probability of 21, right? And we have to find probability of 18, probability of 19, probability of 20. Okay, now for probability of 17, what we have to find? Probability of 16 divided by max plus probability of 15 divided by max, like this, till it will be probability of uh, 7, right? I think so, yeah, probability of it was because it was 17 and yeah, not till 21, so it will be probability of 5 till probability of 5 here till probability of 5. Now here we will start from probability of 17, but we can go 17 because if we go 17, it will give us theory. So what we can do, probability of 16 by max till probability of 6. Again, because why we are going to 6? Because 21, we have to minus it from 21. So now here again, from probability of 16 divided by max and probability of 7. So what we are doing, each time we are going higher, we are what we are doing, we are reducing one number, we are not taking till 5. So here we have to do minus minus, and each time we are getting more than probability of 16, we are reducing the value as well. So in that case, what we will do, I will take one current value, current equal to 1. What if the value of k is 0? So I'll check if value k is equal to 0, then it will be 0, otherwise it will be 1. That's it. And here, instead of this, what I'll say that what I can say here, I can say my probability of I is equal to my current by maxPts that I can get, and then I'll check if I is less than k. If my current I is less than k, I'll keep, if my I is less than k, I'll keep adding value till I plus equal to probability of I. That's it. Then I'll check if I minus j is greater than or equal to 0 and I minus j is less than, not equal, less than uh, k, then I'll remove the value of probability of I minus j, and that's it. And if I run my code, Oh, sorry, I minus maxPts, I minus, not j, sorry. It will be maxPts. Yeah, that's it. And if I submit my code and I got it, thank you so much.